Welcome to Technology Learning Space YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about VMware vSAN design and monitoring. For VMware vSAN design, many tools are available from VMware from vendors like Dell EMC and all. So we're gonna see one by one, and then in the second part, we will see how to monitor VMware vSAN. Let us start from VMware Compatibility Guide. So here you can see many drop down list. So from here you can choose based upon your requirement and you will get a result here. The first part is the vSAN ready node type. There are two types, all flash and hybrid. So if you need higher performance compression encryption, I recommend you to choose all flash. Otherwise you can go ahead with hybrid. Then the second is vSAN ready node supported release. The following are the supported release for vSAN. You can choose one of it. We'll go with the latest one, 6.7. Then the other third question is the pre-install option. So you want EXSI pre-installed? Okay, we'll install it. I'll just choose EXSI not pre-installed. Then you can choose vendor. Different vendors are available. I'm gonna choose Dell and generation 3 Xeon scalable. Then you can see vSAN ready node profile HY2, HY4, HY6, different series. So I'll go to another page and see what is that. So in vSAN 6.0 all flash hardware guidance, you can see there are three series, AF8, AF6 and AF4. This is defined based upon the number of virtual machine density that you're gonna run in this vSAN. For example, if you need if your requirement is just below 30 virtual machine and the rest of the things matches with your requirement, then you can go ahead with all flash 4 series. If you have a higher VM capacity requirement and VM performance requirement, you can choose AF6 or AF8 based upon your requirement. The second part is vSAN 6.0 hybrid hardware guidance. So in the preparation here we choose hybrid. So let's see, there are 4 different series available for up to 20 virtual machine. You can go ahead with hybrid 2 series or 4 series for 30 virtual machines. So this is based upon the VM density and this the minimum configuration that this considered is like 2 virtual CPUs, 6 GB RAM and 2 into 60 GB hard disk. So these are the consideration for a virtual machine for these profiles. So based upon this calculation they arrive to different profiles. So you can choose one of this profile and for example I'm choosing here a hybrid 6 and as a rack mount servers. Okay, you can see this one with Power Edge C6420 Intel CPU and recommended memory 32 GB into 16 and HPA controller is HPA 330 and capacity tier is 1.8 terabyte SAS disk and the cache tier is for 100 GB. So this is a recommended design for vSAN to meet the requirement that we selected from this drop down list. And you can see this configuration support following release from 6.7 to 6.2 update 3 are supported with this hardware. Next we're gonna see interoperability metrics. For that select the first solution. For example, I'm going with the VMware vSAN and this is the versions I'm gonna choose. So you can just see this VMware vSAN is operable with the other solutions. For example, VMware Horizon 7, it is operable from 6.25 to 7.0. So if you have some other vSphere products or VMware product, then it is recommended to have a look here before you go for the procurement. The other part is upgrade path. So you can, if you are an existing user, you can just confirm the upgrade path, how you want to upgrade by stage upgrade or a direct upgrade based upon your existing version. You can come to a conclusion what kind of tasks are required to perform to upgrade VMware vSAN from the existing version to the latest one. Next one is VMware vSphere configuration maximum. Here you can select the product There are four type of products showing here: VMware Network Virtualization or vRealize Operation Manager. Here, our product is vSphere, so I just choose vSphere. Then select the version. I choose 6.7. Then what I want to know, for example, I have VMware vSAN and I want to know the EXSI host maximum and also the virtual machine maximums. So it will show like this. The maximum virtual machine CPU is like 128, and also this is the maximum memory that I can assign, and a lot of details are there. So if you have mostly this requirement or this configuration maximums are enough, you are not going to exceed this one. But there are some cases maybe you have a special machine that require more than this, so just have a look if you have such cases. Otherwise this limit is enough to run your virtual machine workloads. Next is live optics. Live optics is like you can download some collectors from live optics, then you can run it in your environment, then it will collect some information from your environment, and then you can upload that information here. So you will get a very nice graphical interface with many informations like IOPS, utilization, recommendation, a lot of things. So you can download the collectors from here based upon the platform that you're gonna use, and you can see the supported and unsupported operating system platform here. So once you done this, you can just come back to this live optics, you can upload it, then you will get a very nice graphical interface with a lot of details, including the utilization of different objects that you need to analyze and come up a decision for VMware vSAN. Next is about VMware vSAN monitoring. Go to the cluster, and when you click monitor, you can see vSAN health option here. So here you can see the last health check conducted today at 2:26:45. It is every 60 months it will run a test and display the result here. If you want to run now, you can just run retest, so it will conduct the test and display the latest result for you. So you can see there are some problems here, like warnings, not errors, some warnings, because this is a lab environment, so I don't have a proper compatible setup here. The other things from the network side, physical data, cluster limit, everything is fine, seems fine. So you can have a look here. If there is any issue or something, you can check it from here. As if now there is no issues here. Then the other part is the performance. You can see the performance of virtual machines, IOPS utilization, the latency, the throughput, and the congestion, such things. I don't have a lot of virtual machines running here, as this 4 node have only one VM virtual machine running. So based upon your environment, you will see the IOPS utilization, throughput, latency, and then this information is necessary when you're gonna upgrade or when you're gonna troubleshoot issues like slowness or performance issues. So this you will find most of the things that related to monitoring of VMware vSAN from here. So that's all about VMware vSAN design and monitoring. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching this video.